In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find save files on Steam PC. For gamers, knowing where save files are stored can be extremely helpful, whether you want to back up your progress, troubleshoot an issue, or install mods. Let's walk through the steps to locate these important files using the Steam client. First, open the Steam application on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Steam icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. If you're not already logged in, click the Login button in the top right corner of the Steam window. Enter your username and password and make sure the details are correct to avoid login issues. Once everything looks good, click Sign In to access your Steam homepage. After logging in, navigate to your library. You'll find the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. Click it to view a list of all your games. Next, locate the game whose save files you want to find. Scroll through your game list and select the game. Just make sure it's installed on your PC. Now, right-click on the game's name. From the drop-down menu, select Properties. This will open a new window with game-specific settings. Inside the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab. Here, you'll see several options related to the game's stored data. To access the game folder, click Browse Local Files. Steam will automatically open the folder on your computer that contains the game's files, and in many cases, this includes the save files. Keep in mind that some games store save data in different locations, such as the Documents folder, App Data, or another custom directory. If you don't see save files here, it's a good idea to check the game's documentation or configuration files for the exact save location. And that's it. You now know how to access your game's local files on Steam. Whether you're backing up saves, fixing an issue, or experimenting with mods, this is the folder you'll be working with. I hope this guide helped you learn how to find save files on a Steam PC. Always remember to handle game files carefully to avoid losing progress or corrupting saves. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!